items for sink and float. Let's start! Oh no! First, do you think we need some more water? Yes! Let's do it! Let's unscrew the white cap, put it down here, and we're going to pour it. Not too fast, because maybe it'll go everywhere. So slowly. Look at the bubbles! It looks good, doesn't it? I love blowing bubbles. Oh my, too many bubbles. Oh, too many bubbles. Too many bunnies. I'm done the whole bottom. And screw back on. Put that to the side. Let's get started! We're going to start off with a sponge. Guess what? He's got two colours. He's got green, dark green, and he's got light yellow. Let's see if it sinks or floats. Yes! It floats! Well done! Let's see the next item. Look! We've got a whisk. And it's got a yellow whisk. Let's see if it will sink or float. Let's see. Oh, it floats. It sinks actually. This sinks. Let's see the next item. We've got two spoons, a metal spoon and a white spoon. Let's put them in together to see. This one is silver and this one is white. Let's see if they both sink or both float. This metal one, silver, it sinks because it is metal. And this plastic one here floats. Well done! Let's see if we can find the next one. Let's see in our box. Which one next? Oh, I got a good one. A sieve! A white sieve with a black cover. Wow! Let's see if it sinks or floats. Let's see. Real answer. Ooh. You like that? It sinks! Well done if you said sink! Let's go on to the next item. Let's see in our mini box. Let's see. What have we got left? Oh, we've got this lovely lid. Got a lovely green bottom lid. Lovely. Let's see if it sinks or floats. Let's try it out. I think it will float. Yes, it floats! Well done if you said float. Let's go on to the next item. We've got a brush. Brush, scrub-a-dub-dub, scrub-a-dub-dub. Let's see if it sinks or floats. Let's reveal the answer. It sinks! Well done if it said sink! Woo! Let's see the next item in the box. Two more items. 1 and 2. Let's do a white jug. Let's see if it sinks or floats. Let's reveal the answer. Ready? Let's put it like this. Oh my. It floats! Well done if you said floats. Let's go on to the next item. A brush. A paint brush. When you paint. Let's see if it sinks or floats. Let's see. Ready? Set. Go. Ooh, it's wooden too. Wow! It floats! Oh, that's so. It floats! Well done if you said float! If you want to see more videos by me, check out Minsky! Bye! See you next time!